Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to fix iPhone black screen of death but still on. An iPhone with black screen but still actively powered on, vibrating, ringing, or showing connected to Bluetooth is almost always experiencing a software crash or an unresponsive display driver. So you can perform a force restart, right? Long or press and quickly release the volume up button, right? Step 2, press and quickly release the volume down button. Step 3, press and hold the side power button. Do not let go of the button even if the screen stays black. And keep holding the side button for up to 10 to 20 seconds and only release it when the Apple logo appears on the screen. Note, for older models with a physical home button, press and hold the home and side buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears, right? And now check your battery and charging port. Sometimes a battery glitch can cause a frozen black screen. Connect your phone to a working charger and let it sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Perform the force restart steps that I just said before while the phone is plugged in, right? If it still won't turn on, inspect your charging port for lint or debris and gently clean it out with a toothpick, right? Then try recharging again, okay? If the force restart doesn't work, a deeper software glitch might be the culprit, right? You can update or restore your iOS using a computer, right? Plug your iPhone into a computer using a USB cable and open iTunes or Finder on Mac and perform the force restart sequences. Volume up, volume down, hold side button, but keep holding the side button until the screen shows the recovery mode logo, computer in a cable rather than the Apple logo. And your computer will prompt you to either update or force restart your iPhone. Choose update to install iOS without losing your data. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really